Understanding the stages of infection helps us recognize how diseases develop and spread. When a pathogen enters the body, it doesn't immediately cause symptoms. Instead, it progresses through a series of stages, from initial exposure to full recovery. Let's talk about a few important terms related to the stages of infection. The incubation period is the time between exposure to a pathogen and the appearance of signs and symptoms as the infection grows in the body. Following incubation, a person may enter the prodromal stage, where they start experiencing mild, nonspecific symptoms, such as fatigue or a slight fever, before the full illness sets in. If a disease is communicable, it means the person can actively spread it to others. To prevent transmission, a patient may be placed in quarantine or isolation until they are no longer contagious. Diseases can be acute, meaning they develop suddenly and resolve quickly, or chronic, meaning they persist over a long period. Some diseases are latent, meaning they remain in the body without symptoms, but can reactivate later. Others are opportunistic, meaning they typically don't cause illness in a healthy individual, but can take advantage of a compromised immune system. Finally, after an illness runs its course, a person enters the convalescent stage, where symptoms begin to improve and the body works to fully recover from the infection.